Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about some tips and tricks in Python. Let's go. Okay, in this session I want to talk about how to convert some multiple fors, loops and conditions into one line. At the first I want to create some list, for example list of month such as January, February, March, April, and so on, and the other list of years, for example 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, and 2023. Okay, let's create two fors into each other. For example, for M in a month, I need to space here, colon here, and then set for Y in years. I need to append M and Y into one list. So I need to create another list, empty list, which is named party, and I say please party.append a tuple of M and Y here. Let's print a party as well and then run. As you can see, this is a list of multiple tuples. In each tuple we have M and a Y, month and a year. But now I want to write these two fors into one for, into one line. What should I do? I need to create, for example, party and then a bracket. This bracket actually works as append and empty bracket as well. It means that you don't need to write append when you type bracket. At the first, you need to put two space here because at the end I want to add something in this space. Okay, write your loops and conditions in a row. It means that write for M in month and then your second for here with space. We don't need any colon. For Y in years, and then I don't have any condition or for at the end. Okay, I stop it just here, and then I need to put my output. This is my output, and put it in the first place. Okay, as you can see, you don't need to use an append or create something empty list. This bracket works for you as an append and empty list. Let's print my party. As you can see, we have the same output as well. If I add something here, for example, such as a condition, as I said, a year greater than 2018, and then if it is true, please append to my party and then run it. As you can see, we have this output here. Okay, add this condition into one line. As you can see, without any colon, just I write the condition at the end. Okay, as you can see, these two output are the same. Okay, in this session you learn how to convert multiple fors and the conditions into a one line. Don't forget to leave a comment below and also subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.